Last year, I did a video showing you all how I would make a beat within my first 10 minutes. And within the past year, I learned quite a few things in Maschine that I would do radically different. And I want to show you this process right now in 2024 at the time of this recording so that you can get even further within your first 10 minutes. Let's get started. Chill Squad, what it do? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not part of the Chill Squad, what are you doing? By the way, before we go forward with this video, type in the chat where you're watching from. I would like to know where all of you are watching from because I get thousands of views per month. It'll be pretty cool to know where people are viewing at. So let me know where you're watching from and let's get back into it. So off the bat, you can tell that my scene looks a little bit different. If you want to know how to get your scene to look like this, there's a card right here. You can watch that video, then come back to this so that your scene could look like this and you can start off like this. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to load up the beat timer from Curtis King. You go to curtisking.com to get your own beat timer, and I'm going to mute my sound from here on and we'll go from there. And we gotta stop there. I didn't want to stop there, but I was gonna add a bass line, as you can see of mine. This is what the bass line would sound like. So as you guys can see, this is something that you could easily do for yourself. I definitely will say that this is something that you can model for yourself. As I said, there's a video that I have. Matter of fact, I'm gonna point to this video right here. In case you didn't see it in the beginning, you can go ahead and look at it now on how I got my scene to start off this way. It definitely saves some time. Took a little bit to start off with the sample and everything, but that happens all the time. Go ahead, check out this video on how you could get your machine to start off this way so it can speed up your workflow process, and let me know what you think in the comments. Before I close it, by the way, before we get